Why gold-plated HDMI cables don't improve your TV's picture quality. Gold plating on HDMI cables does not enhance video or audio quality, despite flashy marketing claims. Both standard and gold-plated HDMI cables transmit the exact same digital signal to your TV or device. Gold plating may prevent corrosion, but most home environments don't expose cables to damaging moisture anyway. Save your money by choosing regular HDMI cables. They offer identical performance at a much lower price. Follow us for more smart tech tips and honest product advice.